Assalamu alaikum everyone. Between 1974 and 78, William Schulze and few of his colleagues carried out a study at Hanover University in Germany, and in the study they wanted to find out the pain and consciousness that animals receive while it is slaughtered in a conventional method and a ritual method of slaughtering. And in the study, they concluded that the Islamic way of slaughtering, meaning the halal method, is the most humane method of slaughtering, and that the captive bull stunning, which is the conventional method, which is usually practiced in some parts of the West, that causes severe pain to the animal. In the study, they used two devices that had a purpose of recording the activities that were going in the mind and the heart of the animals that were being slaughtered. The first device that they used was electroencephalography recorder that recorded the activities that were going in the brain, and the second device was electrocardiography recorder, which recorded the activities that were going in the heart. In the first 3 seconds from the time of Islamic slaughter, the electroencephalography recorder, meaning the EEG recorder, did not show any change from the time before to the slaughter, and this indicates that the animal did not felt any pain in the first 3 seconds or immediately after the incision. For the next 3 seconds, the recorder recorded a condition of deep sleep, and that means that the animal was completely unconscious. Now, this happened because a large amount of blood gushed out of the body, and when there is a blood flow out of the body in larger amount, at that time there is a pressure drop in the body, and when there is a pressure drop in the body, the animal goes into the state of so in these first 6 seconds of slaughtering or incision, the recorder did not display any feelings of pain at all. Now in these 6 seconds, the heart would also pump blood out of the body, which would then drive maximum amount of blood out of the body, and then it would be resulted in a hygienic meat for the customer. And it's not me who is saying this. In fact, Dr. V.K. Modi, head of the department of one of the research institute in Mysore, said that the halal method is effective in draining out most of the blood from a slaughtered animal, which is vital if meat is to be soft. There are so many bigots who oppose this just in the name of anti-Islam or Islamophobia. They should at least be neutral and look upon these things. In fact, if you look at the halal food, then it's cleaner. The meat contains no blood, and thus the possibility of diseases is almost zero. Also, the slaughter process is more effective. In it, the animal's carotid artery, jugular vein, and windpipe are cut in a single swipe, and this is extremely effective in comparison to giving a bullet to an animal or stunning it or giving it a poison. More importantly, it is done for every animal on its own without any other animal watching it. As it doesn't horrifies the animal in waiting to be slaughtered, it doesn't raises the adrenaline in the body, and eventually it doesn't releases chemicals in the blood that changes the taste of the meat. Apart from that, what also needs to be understood is that the slaughtering should not be done in an extravagant manner. It should not be done without any purpose or requirement, because the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever kills so much as a sparrow unjustly will have pleading to Allah on the day of resurrection, saying, 'O Lord, he killed me for no reason, and he did not kill me for any beneficial purpose.'" Again, the Holy Prophet ﷺ also said that if you had mercy on the sheep, then Allah will have mercy on you too. So I hope that this information would be enough to educate ourselves regarding the halal process and its benefits. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts all of our efforts in this Eid.